Hello and welcome. When you get the link to the Bible study tool, you just put it in your browser, navigate to the link, and this is it here. Now you notice this is view only. So what you need to do is to save copy, or a number of copies would be better for yourself. Save it, or it's called make a copy. So go to File and then Make a Copy. And then you can call it Tom's Bible Study or whatever you like. Make a copy. And that's creating it in your Google account. Now don't worry if at times these take a while to come up, or they're not coming up, or they might even show an error. Ignore that, they'll come. It's just if there are too many requests on the server for that, it'll just pause for a while. But that's alright, no worries, you just come back to it later. And then also you got some instructions here, some basic instructions, but I'll also have help videos on all these headings here. Well, I hope that helps with your Bible study, and feel free to give it to anybody that's interested in doing Bible study. Okay, bye.